Hello everybody, I'm here to tell you about our exciting live webinar we're hosting on Tuesday the 28th of February at 6 p.m. EasyWood design tools that make wood turning easy. Made in the USA, their range of replaceable carbide tip cutter tools allow any wood turner to tackle all types of work with ease and confidence. Not just the home users, EasyWood's premium quality tools will help speed up every turner's work, even the professionals. Sign up today and you will receive an exclusive discount code for 20% off EasyWood on the day. Join us and EasyWood live on YouTube, 28th of February at 6 p.m.